Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 9A. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's enter settings and go to Biometrics and Password. Enter change lock screen password. And as you can see, this is the first type of lock screen. Let's go to change unlock method. And here we've got more options like 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern and password. Let's start with 4-digit PIN. Now let's set custom PIN. Password. And at the end, pattern. Great. Now when it's done, we can set fingerprint ID. Let's select use fingerprint to unlock device and scan our fingerprint. The scanner is right here at the back of the phone. Simply tap the scanner multiple times. Okay, it's done. So now let's use it to unlock the phone. Great. Last way we can set lock screen is face unlock. Scan your face in this area. Okay, my face is already scanned, so let's use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.